Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanele, so I'm back again with indaba zama transfer news la ku PSL. Amathimba amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Kuyindaba engizoqala ngazo namhlanje. uSomila Nsundwana umdlalo bedlalela iRichards Bay useshiyile kwiRichards Bay after spending 5 years with the club. Umjida was part of the squad that was promoted to iBetway Premiership. Kuthiwa Umjida he has bided his farewell for iRichards Bay FC useyojoyina iChippa United. Simfisela okuhle kuChippa United. iChippa United currently they are signing abadlali abaningi ngempela. Khumbula phela iChippa United isathanda kuchitha abadlali abaningi, so they need new players abazofike lapha bakwazi ukuyisiza idlale kahle next season. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa iPulukwane City isisayine uKayegile Malepe ona 21 years old oqhamuka kwePretoria Kellies. Umjida useyisigning nges4 eqhamuka kwePretoria Achilles. Basayine uMphumvu Ndlela, Seketswa Moremi noKaorebe Sibone mase kubuyena. Yabo kuthiwa uMalepe obesendleleni ebhekise kumaZulu, but ke iPulukwane City ivele yamthola nje esendleleni yamhlalisa phansi yaxoxa nayo uMjida bamsayinisa icontract. So mhlawumbe uyicompare icontract yakhe yamaZulu nePulukwane City wabona ukuthi kungcono ukuthi asayine kwiPulukwane City. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje uStefan Aziz Ki is expected to leave iWydad Casablanca after ucoach umusha weWydad Casablanca engabanga impressed ngama minutes awatholile uStefan Aziz Ki yabo kwiClub World Cup. Akekho impressed ucoach bafethu. Menikhumbula kahle ke uStefan Aziz Ki usathanda kushiya kuYoung Africans wajoyina iWydad Casablanca njengoba bebeyodlala nje kwiFIFA Club World Cup. Umjida nje bejoyinile ucoach akekho satisfied. Ngenzeka ahambe kuleli window nje njengoba lizovulwa. Ungomunye wabadlali abazohamba because iWydad Casablanca kumele icut off abadlali about 3 kubadlali about 8 abama foreign players yabo. According to FIFA you don't have to have abadlali abalingana ku10 abama foreign players, so they need to cut off some players. Stephen Aziz Ki is one of those players njengoba eqhamuka nje le eBurkina Faso. Kwezinye izindaba la kuthiwa sources reveal that ama-Turks asedayise umdlali wabo ona 21 years old attacking midfielder lo bafethu uMalekane Mampuru uzojoyina iSkhukhune United. iSkhukhune United siyapheka kancane kancane, abantu abaningi abanakile. Umjida uMampuru bafethu uzojoyina iSkhukhune United. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu, mhlamba amanye amafans eKaizer Chiefs azoba happy, mhlamba amanye amafans eKaizer Chiefs ngiyazi abe happy, but ke sengakhuluma le ndaba before, but ke kuthiwe namhlanje uEdson Castillo neKaizer Chiefs have reached an agreement, bashaye imutual agreement vethu. Umjida uzoshiya kwiKaizer Chiefs useterminate icontract yakhe. Mina ngikhumbula kahle bafethu uCastillo ngomunye wabadlali bebehlushwa ama-injury yabo, so umjida use decide ukuthi hayi uyashiya kwiKaizer Chiefs, naye iKaizer Chiefs ayinankinga ngaleso sinqumo leso, so icontract yakhe ngezi renew. Use decide ukushiya kwiKaizer Chiefs. Asazi noma khona inama team akhona kuBetway Premiership angazama ukumsayina, noma akhona vele asuka le kwi-country yakhe le eVenezuela. I think wase Venezuela if I'm not mistaken. Ungangitshela ama comments lapho, but ke umjida useyishila iKaizer Chiefs. Ezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa the newly promoted Betway Premiership team iDurban City FC are set to sign umdlali odlalela iUppington City FC a highly rated attacker uBokang Mokoena yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje the former Orlando Pirates striker uKwame Peprah, yalikhumbula ke bafethi iqhude bafethu lo mjida lo wafika kwiOrlando Pirates. Abantu abaningi babeyitsho ukuthi uzobe inkinga, but ke he didn't live to the expectations iOrlando Pirates ewalindele. Yabo kuthiwa umjida usethole iclub enja edlala le eCambodia kuthiwa iSvay Rieng FC. Peprah ngikhumbula kahle una 24 years old recently parted ways with the Kerala Blanters edlala le India yabo, so umjida right now usethole iclub eseCambodia. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iChippa United have reached an agreement with the Orlando Pirates to sign the midfield duo uGoodman Mosele and uAzola Chobeni on loan, but again there is a condition. There is no option to make the deal permanent, both Goodman Mosele and uAzola Chobeni. So both of these players will be loaned to iChippa United. Menikhumbula kahle ke uGoodman Mosele was once loaned to iChippa United before umjida. I think wahlala isizini eyodwa, I think that season Orlando Pirates yambuyisa. Sebuyile kuOrlando Pirates wahlushwa ama-injury, so decide ukumdedela-ke futhi Orlando Pirates manje uyohlala another season with iChippa United, same as u-Azola Chobeni. U-Azola Chobeni-ke Tsephitsi umjida akaze ayithole i-game time under uJose Riveiro, yabo. Umunye wabadlali nje lo bafethu onebhadi, ngibafisela okuhle kule journey le abazoya kuyona. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iCape Town Spurs have threatened i-disciplinary, kuthiwa le disciplinary action le ingenzeka iye on a legal route to against 3 players with imminent moves to ama-Betway Premiership clubs. Khumbulani-ke iCape Town Spurs yena labadlali ababo bathathu oku-Asenele Villiers, oku-Luke Bartman, mase kubu-Leon Byrne. uLeon Byrne ulomdlali lo engisathana ukukhuluma ngayo kuma video adlula ojoyine amaZulu. Mase kuthi uArsenal Villiers, iKaizer Chiefs have managed to sign Arsenal Villiers. Okungithusayo kunomdlali ophupha phile ekuthiwa uLuke Bartman usayinwe iKaizer Chiefs. Apparently usayinwe iKaizer Chiefs, nami le ndaba bengazazi, but ke ngizwile namhlanje kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs isimanagile ukuwathola ama signing akhe lo mjide lo, yabo. Mfana omncane lo mina emkhumbula, I think wadlala ku under 20 under 17 lapho nje, but ke une potential lwamfana ukuthi abe star, yabo. So le ndaba lezi kuthiwa iCape Town Spurs iyatrainisha ngempela ukuthi labadlali labo bathathu bamuva kanjani bojoin ama team akwi-Betway Premiership. Asazi ngoba umthetho lo kuma contract abo vele kumele bamuve, yabo. Into ebhale kuma contract abo yena kwakumele labadlali abadayise sisakhona isikhathi, yabo. Abadayise lo wona lama team manje izinduku seziyamkhalela, kumele accept ukuthi labadlali laba sebehambile bojoina ama club amakhulu adlala kwi-Betway Premiership. Awukwazi ukuthi une talent yodlala le ku-ABC Motsepe League. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu ayingekho ke mnandi, Richards Bay FC nomxolisi Macopho go their separate ways. Umxolisi Macopho has now joined the growing list of players who have parted ways with the Richards Bay. Richards Bay yadedela naye, hayi kubi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile labafethu uLodge neWydad Casablanca bayakhuluma. There are discussions between uLodge neWydad Casablanca. Khumbulani uLodge umdlali lo walonwa from Mamelodi Sundowns to iWydad Casablanca. Umjida uyadlala ngempela. Khumbula ke ukuthi uThembinkosi Lodge umdlali lo oqhamuka kweMamelodi Sundowns walonwa iSundowns bemlona le kuRalani Mkwena kwiWydad Casablanca bayifuna ukuyokhompitha lapha kwiClub World Cup. So bambonile ukuthi umjida udlala kahle, njengoba edlala kahle nje they want to keep the player, so it's up to iMamelodi Sundowns to agree with i-deal ezofika nani neWydad Casablanca to let the player go to iWydad Casablanca. So uThembinkosi Lodge now uyafuna ukuhlala lapha kuWydad. It's up to iMamelodi Sundowns. Sekulindwe yona kubonakala ukuthi yenze njani yona. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa the newly promoted side iDurban City FC iassessa istriker saseZimbabwe esilitali kakhulu esiwashaya amagoli ekuthiwa uWashington Navaya, yabo. Bafuna ukumsayina lo mjida lo uyi-priority enkulu kwiDurban City FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje sengakhuluma ngalomdlali lo, umdlali waseSwaziland uJustin Figueiredo bafethu, istriker lesesidlala ngempela bedlalela iRichards Bay FC, kuthiwa sifuna ukusayinwa iChippa United. iChippa United iserious ngempela ukusayineni lo mjida lo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa mathathu ama-club alwela umdlali odlalela iSimba Bora. Lama club lawa afuna ukumsayina ahead of le season ezoqala 2025-2026 season okubalwa khona iTS Galaxy, amaZulu neMarumo Gallants. Umgama lo mdlali uIshanesu Mawuchi, angikwazi ukupronounce igama lakhe, but ke amfuna impela lo mdlali lo uyi-defender. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa iStellenbosch United i-center back yalo ifunwa ama-club adlala le kwe-UAE Pro League, yabo. Le club le kuthiwa Ibani Yes SC ifuna umdlali odlalela iStellenbosch FC uyi-defender. Asazi ke noma iStellenbosch isovuma, but ke iStellenbosch eseyikubonile mina i-team le evumayo ukuthi ama-team amaningi awadayisela, yabo. iStellenbosch asincashana kakhulu ngabadlali. Mufuna umdlali kumele ufike nemali kwiStellenbosch sokudayisela. So ngambona impela lo mjida lo ishiya iStelis, singesazi anything can happen, but ke iStelis I can see iStelis bemdayisa lo mjida. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa Elias Mukwana could be leaving Esperance with the Russian Premier League club in talks with Taraj. The 25-year-old winger scored 7 goals with an assist 4 in 38 games, yabo. I-value yakhe lo mjida lo i-value around 20 million, imagine. But ke asazi noma uzovumana ukudlala le eRussia bafethu, because yazi iRussia igcwele izimpi, yabo. It's up to the player to decide the move.